Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I know you saw the video of one of the most spectacular houses I have seen in a long time, and that is the house that's in Scalea. Beautiful house with beautiful appointments. Well, we're refeaturing it on the channel because Pete did a gorgeous drone video so you can see exactly where it is. So take a look. Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today I'm really excited because I know I've been giving you teaser videos about Old Town Scalea, and as you can see, it really is spectacularly beautiful, and it has a perfect location right above the sea, and this sea is one of the most beautiful seas I've ever seen. Here are the steps, the iconic steps to Scalea. When you come up these steps, and you take a left-hand turn, you end up right in front of Casa Cielo. Now, Casa Cielo is a very, very special property. My friend Clive and his wife Catherine ran it as a very successful B&B for many, many years. In fact, that's how we met them. Pete and I stayed with Clive and Catherine when we came over in 2010 to actually look for properties. And they put us up, they fed us. Clive is a fantastic chef. We had a lovely time. We love these guys. We're sorry to see them go, but they have some other commitments that they have to keep to, and we want to help them find a buyer for this really unique and special property. Now, Clive, in addition to being a fabulous chef, is also a wonderful artist, as you can see, and he has painted many paintings on not only the entry, but in the various areas inside the house. All of this artwork that you see is his. Now, and you can kind of see that there's a beautiful dome ceiling up above the entry. This house is actually kind of like a little mini palazzo. Not super mini, but definitely has got all the aspects of a palazzo. This beautiful iron gate adds extra security to the entrance, and behind it you can see the amazing detail and the beauty of Clive's artwork. It really is something very special, and it adds so much to this beautiful house. As we come in, we take a quick right into the main bedroom, and Clive has had wallpaper imported from England and has redone the whole entire room. There is an ensuite bathroom, and the touches and finishes in here are really, truly spectacular. Everything has just been renovated to a super high level of beauty and excellence. That cute little bookcase that you see over in the corner is not a bookcase at all, but in fact a door that connects to the other bedroom. Here you can see part of the bathroom that was added, and it really, really is a beautiful addition. Here are a few close-ups of the beautiful features that Clive has put in. The stencils and the details are all his handiwork, and they've been really, really done to a high level of professionalism. Coming out into the hallway and taking another turn to the right-hand side from the entrance, you come into the main bathroom, which again has been redone with many, many beautiful architectural details that you just aren't going to find anywhere. Clive has done a lot of this work himself. He did have help with the renovation aspects, and they renovated this beautiful bathroom to an amazing standard. It's very roomy, and one of the unusual features about this house is that in the historic center in Scalea, many of the houses are very small, and the rooms are small, and the hallways are tight, and it can feel a bit like a rabbit warren. This one is nothing like that. It's very, very open. There's tons of space, as you can see from this beautiful pranzo or lunch area. The dining area basically is what it is. And from that balcony, you get magnificent views of the sea and of Scalea itself. Here you can see the Talao Tower, which is right there in front of the Centro Storico. This tower was one of a group of towers that are dotted along the coast that were there to warn of pirates when they were coming so that the villagers could evacuate. Now here, off of the dining area, you have this beautiful soggiorno, and I'd like to point out these amazing marble terrazzo floors. These floors date back to the 1800s, and when Clive and Catherine moved in, they were pretty rough. But Clive and Catherine decided they wanted to, instead of replacing them with some modern flooring, they decided to shine them up, and the result was this absolutely spectacularly beautiful marble floor. Again, from this room you have spectacular views, and in fact on all sides of the house you have spectacular views. Here on the other side of that living area is a beautiful sitting area, which also could be transformed back into a bedroom, because I know it was a bedroom at one time. Now beyond this is Catherine's beautiful dressing room, which is really something that every woman that I know would just love to have. There's tons of space in here. The armoire, from what I understand, comes with the dressing room, because let's be honest, nobody wants to move an armadio of that size. It's really hard to move out of a Centro Storico. So it comes with the space, and it's very nice, it's new, it's beautiful. Again, from this corner you get spectacular views of the historic center. These artworks on the wall are Clive's artwork, and they are the Riachi bronzes. I don't know if you've been down to Reggio Calabria to see these magnificent sculptures, but this is Clive's interpretation of the Riachi bronzes, and this is another view out the window. The house has windows all around, and there's light everywhere. Now we have the guest room with this beautiful decorations and ensuite bath. Again, all of the details put in here were done by Clive and Catherine themselves, and it's decorated to a really, really high standard. This is something unique and special, and you're not going to find this kind of decor anywhere else. It really creates a palazzo feel like you would expect in one of the grander houses in England or even in Italy back in the day. It's just so beautiful. Now we're heading from the dining room into the kitchen. As I mentioned previously, Clive is a magnificent chef. We have eaten so many wonderful meals at his table, and we've been very, very lucky to do so. He actually created this kitchen to his own specifications. It's fully equipped for a gourmet chef. And as you can see, there's a lot of counter space, there's tons of light. The views from these windows, I don't know if you can imagine cooking in here and looking out the window and seeing that view. To me, it's just absolutely stunning. And you have that on two sides, so there's tons of light so you can really see what you're doing. And again, there's the Centro Storico and the downtown area of Scalea. You're right above the area pedonale in Scalea, and that is where all the restaurants and all of the shops are, the gelaterias. You're close to the beaches. You can walk just about anywhere, and you can even walk to the train station. You do not need a car if you're living in this beautiful house. That's another great aspect about it. From here, we're going up the stairs and out onto the amazing roof terrace. This is actually quite a large roof terrace, and you get almost 360-degree views of the hills, the Centro Storico, the mountains, the sea, the Talao Tower, and on a clear day you can see Stromboli and the Aeolian Islands. And at times you can even see Stromboli erupting. This is such a beautiful view from this, and I can't tell you the calm and tranquil feel that you get from this gorgeous terrace. Again, we've been up here with Clive and Catherine many, many times. It does pain me to actually lose them as friends and have them go somewhere else, but I do know that for the right person, this house is going to be absolutely a treasure. The terrace is big enough to be divided into an eating area and several different sitting areas. And in Calabria, the weather is so nice that you can really be out here in spring, summer, and fall, and even some days in the winter time. The weather is very much like California weather. It's beautiful in the spring and fall. It's beautiful in the summer. So this terrace, as big as it is, will give you a whole lot of extra living space for most of the year. The asking price is 295,000 euros. Please contact us if you want some more information. See you soon.